In this video, we will guide you through how to create a working checkpoint system in Roblox Studio. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, before we start, make sure to follow every naming rule exactly as shown because even a small mistake will break the entire system. First, let's add our checkpoint. So, let's go to home and insert a part. And now you can just move your part anywhere by just dragging it and go to home and go to scale. And now let's scale it so it looks like a checkpoint. So I'll just drag the corners just like so. And now as you can see, it is already looking like a checkpoint. So now once you're happy with how it looks, you can just press Ctrl D to duplicate and just drag it just like so and place it in another place just like so. So I'm just gonna do this multiple times. And now let's add some colors. So I'll just go to home and go to color. And now as you can see, we have successfully added colors. So now let's rename the part. Just go to your home and go to Explorer and make sure it is enabled and go to the part and rename it. You can press function and F2 key on your keyboard and rename it. In my case, it's going to be 1 to 5. And now once that you have done that, just go to the plus icon for workspace and create a folder. And this function F2 to rename and rename it exactly to checkpoint. And make sure it is spelled exactly like this with C capital and hit enter. And now select all of your part just like so and then just drag it inside the checkpoint folder. So I'm just going to select all and drag it inside the checkpoint folder. Now once that you have done that, just go to the server script service and click on the plus icon and add a script. Now delete the pre-existing script and paste the exact script from the description of this video. And now once that you have done that, just go to file and go to save to Roblox. And now save your Roblox game. Give it a name and description and save it. After that, just go and click on save. And now your game will launch automatically. After that, just go to your file and go to experience settings. Now go to security and make sure to toggle on enable studio access to API services and click on save. And once that you have done that, you can just go ahead and test your game. Now move your character through each checkpoint. So in here you can see it is showing stage 1. So when I move to another block, it is showing stage 2. So if you die or reset your character, you will respawn at the last checkpoint that you reached instead of the start. So as I'm in the red block, so I'll just go ahead and respawn. So now when I respawn, I will successfully be in the last checkpoint. And if you leave the game or rejoin, your progress will still be saved. And that's it. That's how you create a working checkpoint system in Roblox Studio.